Last year I have done a paid work, and after seeing that work I got another one. My client gave me a 30 years old photograph of her and her elder sister and wanted a portrait of it. I have never done any restoring work before, so this is pretty challenging for me, as the photograph is pretty old and has damaged some of its part, and also the frame is very small, and this thing makes the work more difficult. But to check my potential, as a challenge I took this work. Out of a rough idea I have started to draw outline, the eye which are clear in the photo, keeping that the perspective. Start to draw the second eye. In this stage I thought the work is complete, so I sprayed fixative spray. Then I showed to this client, so she pointed out few things and told me to fix it, like I had to draw a pony and narrow down the face. I have fixed whatever I could now. Let's see if she like it or not. That will update on Insta, and yeah, my Insta handle in the description box. If you have watched this video till here, please like and subscribe if you like it, and thanks for watching.